Hey everyone, in this video we're comparing the cameras of the iPhone 17 Pro Max and the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, focusing on ultrawide, telephoto, stabilization, and both daylight and low light photos and videos. This video is recorded in 4K at 60 frames per second so you can see every detail. This time, Apple has introduced a 48 megapixel telephoto lens on the iPhone 17 Pro Max, giving us 4x and 8x optical zoom, along with two other 48 megapixel cameras. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra comes with four cameras, a 200 megapixel main sensor, a 10 megapixel telephoto with 3x and 5x optical zoom, a 50 megapixel periscope lens, and a 50 megapixel ultrawide. Here's the ultrawide video at 4K 60 frames per second. As you can see, the iPhone 17 Pro Max delivers more natural colors and enhanced detail. Now let's switch to the telephoto lens. This is a great way to see how the zoom quality has improved of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Here's a stabilization test. The iPhone 17 Pro Max shows significantly smoother footage. Moving on to low light video. Notice how much better the iPhone 17 Pro Max handles noise and detail. Finally, let's take a look at some daylight and low light photos. The iPhone 17 Pro Max really stands out with its improved clarity. That's it for today's comparison. Hopefully this helps you decide which one to go for. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.